Loving you, baby, it feels like religion. Started from bottom, it feels like a mission. I rather die, hope that you ever leave me. She's bad, she's bad. Loving you, baby, it feels like religion. Started from bottom, it feels like a mission. I rather die, hope that you ever leave me. She's bad, she's bad.
Sanibonani Mudzansi. I don't know why I made that sound. I don't know why I sounded like that. But anyway, good afternoon, Buffetu. I'm shooting in the afternoon, so good afternoon. I hope you all have been amazing. And man, I'm going to show you another trick. Well, I don't like calling them tricks. Skill. Let's call them skills. On how to slide 808. Specifically, I'm going to be using a drill beat on this one. But this is it's across the board. How you slide your 808 doesn't change, I think, unless there's like a fancy trick of doing it that I don't know about. But slides, I'm going to show you the most convenient, right? I never like to say this is how you do things. No, I'm going to show you how I do them. You know what I mean? Because you never know. Honestly, you just never know what people are doing out there. People are doing some crazy stuff out there, man. So I'm gonna be out here telling you this is how it's done, and then the next thing you see someone else doing something different, and then you're gonna nah, that nigga said, you know what I mean? So no, I don't want none of that. I'm gonna show you how I do things. Damn, look at this fly. Fucking hell. The elephant in the room, let's address it. It's a mess behind me. I know, guys. Please forgive me. Hopefully I can blur this or something in the like post-production. But if not, bear with me with it. I'm so sorry. Ask easy. I know it's a mess behind me. That's why I use like that blankie. That I don't know if it's Basotho or close. I don't know, but that blanket. That's why I used it to like cover the mess. Yeah, I know it's messy, but it's worse without it. So yeah. So I'm gonna play something here and show you how to slide your 808. Let's go. Oh. Nah, I should have eased you in, man. I should have eased you in. It came in too hard. Yeah, Baba. Oh yeah, by the way, shout out to Symmetrics, man. They got beautiful sounds. This is a loop from Symmetrics, The Mist. I believe it's from the Pharaoh bundle. I don't know that's how you pronounce. Is that how you pronounce it? Pharaoh. Ibara Pharaoh. So I don't know if you pronounce this Pharaoh or whatever in the twang thing, but yeah. Kiaga Pharaoh from the the kid Yaga Pharaoh, the bundle. It's The Mist, the loop is fucking amazing. All of them are fucking amazing. Everything that Symmetrics does is fucking amazing. So there's that, and then I pre-did things here before recording the video so that I can save time. I don't want to go above 10 minutes, so I'm just going to show this to you very quickly. Very, very quickly. Okay. There you go. There it goes. I'm not perfect. I'm Nandi. I don't know the languages, but yeah, I know I'm an embarrassment to South Africa for not knowing my South African languages. So I'm just gonna play you the 808 that I set up here. So this one doesn't have slides, right? I already packed that up, but it doesn't have the slides. So I'm just gonna show you how to slide it. Oh shit, I think I'm out of key. That's because I played with other loops. You know what I mean? I played with other loops before this one, so that's why it is out of key. Let me just do this very quickly. I need C# minor, the key. Yeah, I'm gonna show you this in the future. If you want me to show you how I use Picha to find my to not be out of, to find my keys or my pitch or whatever you want to call it. But let me know if you want me to teach you how it's done. Where were we? Where were we? Okay. Nam daytand. Injal. Hayi sekunjalo. Dangi. I love it. So, how to slice your 808? Now, you are gonna have like you're gonna have a note, right, on a certain key, whatever the key is. Then you're gonna have whatever slide you want is gonna be on top, right? You're gonna put it on top, and then double click on that, and there's always gonna be like a slide. Always mind the what's this? The hint bar. I think that's what it's called. Slide, right? Now, if I accept, see it has the slide sign on it. Now it's gonna sound like this. My bad. Sorry. Shit. Okay. You had that right now. Boom, boom, boom. Now for it to go crazy, you can just Ooh, I know you had that. I know you had that. If you didn't, I'm gonna play it again. But let me turn this down a bit. Let me do this. I got me an idea. I think I'm gonna throw some drip on it. Guys, I hope FL Studio is not crackling, man. I hope FL Studio is not crackling, because I know my CPU tends to take a lot of strain when I'm doing these tutorials. Where is it? Shit. My 10 minutes is almost up, so I have to be quick. Yes, sir. I have to be quick. I don't know why I keep making funny sounds. I'm just too hyped up, man. I'm just too hyped up to be sharing my skills. I love sharing skills. I love teaching people things that they'd like to know. Yeah, much better. Okay, now that's how you slide them. Right now, how do you control how you want them to sound? The higher the pitch, right, the sharper the slide, so to speak. I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to bring this one back. Okay, I'm going to take this one, transpose it an octave down, and then play it for you. You had that. It's dull. And then I'm going to bring it back to where it was. See, it's coming. It's almost there. I mean, where drill is concerned. Now, the higher it is, the sharper it is. Remember. Ooh, you know what I mean? I know you had that. You had that. Yeah. And by the way, it's not just up slides that you can do. You can pull it back. You can slide it downward. Let me show you how that is done. Maybe you can have like a note like this, right? And then you're gonna have maybe another. Oh, that's too high. Yes, maybe like here. And then I know this might not sound good at all. Now had that. Yeah, that's how you slide. That's how you slide your 808s buffet too. If I explained it properly, let me know. If I didn't, let me know what you'd like to know further, what you didn't understand, and let's get down to it, right? You can pull it back, you can pull it up, right? And you can also play around with the pitch and all of that, right? So I hope it made sense. Thank you, Bafetu. Thank you for watching. Till our next video. Love you.
I got some money on my mind, ambitious all the time. Girl, you drive me crazy. You flexing on